Hello, it's Nicole Martel with My Creative Scrapbook. Today I'm sharing my first layout I created for My Creative Scrapbook using the April main kit. And it is a monochromatic layout with lots of embellishments and layers. It turned out so pretty, and I'm going to share how I put this together for you. It took me about 30 minutes to create, and I'm going to condense the video down to 8 minutes so that I don't keep you here all day. And so to begin, I have two photos of my sister when she was pregnant. The photos look really pretty with the purple on the pattern papers that I want to use. So I'm going to use those papers. I like the hexagon paper with the other solid purple that I'm going to use as a background. And so I'm going through my embellishments. There are a lot in the kit, which is something I love because I love playing with embellishments and layering. And so I'm just going through and I'm pulling all the purple, blues, and green die cuts that may or may not go with the layout. And it just keeps the process to go smoothly as I'm scrapbooking, and it saves me time because I have everything I want to use right there. And the butterflies are so pretty. I love how this one looks just like lace, but not. So I'm just pulling all these out. I'm just being careful because these designs on these laser cuts are so fine and beautiful. Just be careful when you're pulling them off. And I love the borders. I'm going to use that. And so I'm going to go and pull the flowers out because I love flowers and buttons. And so I'm just pulling some things out here. And I may or may not use some of these, but again, it just helps speed along the process. And then I have those. And so that's what I'm going to be working with in my little pile there. And to begin, I'm going to cut down the solid purple paper to measure 8.5 by 11. And then that's going to be the background because I like a border on the layout. And then this hexagon print paper, I'm cutting this down to measure 7.5 by 10 inches, I believe. It might be a little off, but that shows that there's a nice border around the layout. And then I'm going to mount this to the center of the purple paper. And it's super simple. It's just something I like to do. I don't like my layouts to look too flat. If you look at my work, you know I love to play with layers and texture and dimension, all that good stuff. I'm going to cut the white off this photo because I'm going to mat it on the scrap paper from the first purple cut, and I'm going to use that for the mat. And then I'm going to just mat this down, and then I'm going to leave the other photo with the white trim just to kind of break it up a little bit. And so I love this little border. I'm going to cut this down just a little bit, and then I'm going to put that on the bottom there. And I'm not mounting anything really down. I'm going to glue this down because I know it's going to go at the bottom there. But for the most part now, I'm going to go through my embellishments and just place them on the layout to get an idea of what I want to do and where the embellishments are going to go. And so I'm just going through all the embellishments that I pulled through initially. I forgot I had these tags, and it comes with the kit. I'm going to cut out 2 tags because I always use tags on my projects. It's just a nice way to fill in the white space, and it looks really nice with clustered embellishments. And I'll show you what I mean as we get through this layout. I'm going to cut these down. I'm going to punch a hole in it and get that started. And then I'm going to pop these up at the top. I like to pull the tag, just pull it up so it's not flat. And then I'm just going to go ahead and start tucking in the embellishments that I pulled out just to get an idea of where they're going to go. And again, I'm not mounting anything down yet. I'm just going to put these down to get an idea how this is going to look. And there are so many beautiful embellishments in this kit. I just love it so much. And this is 49 Market's latest collection, Artful Moments, and it's created by Vicky Boutin. You probably recognized it by the style of the papers. But so I'm just going ahead and just putting down more embellishment, the more the merrier. And I feel like I always need more than one butterfly. I'm going to tuck that over here, and then I'm going to pull this closer just so you can see. And now I'm going to just start gluing down everything because I'm pretty happy with how that looks. There's a lot of embellishments on here without overdoing it. And I think it's just perfect. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and mount this down. And I usually use, if you're wondering why I don't use a tape runner, I usually do use a tape runner, but I love the sticky rolls because I feel like they're stronger and they hold everything together. And it's just my preference. Alright, so I'm going to glue this down. And I like to use the glue instead of like adhesives because I have time to move it around if I need to, and the glue doesn't set right away. Whereas if you use an adhesive, once you put that down, it's not moving, like your embellishments. And this is so pretty. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and mount this down. And I'm careful, oop, I forgot a little piece under here. I'm going to pop that off here and tuck that down. And I'm trying to be careful when I put everything down to make sure they're where they were initially, so I don't lose the overall design. And then the lilacs, I'm going to put that up here. And I'm going to glue this up here. Very nice. Okay, I'm going to glue this on the bottom. And then I'm going to pop that title up using foam strips just to add dimension. And then I'm going to put that down here, like so. And then I'm going to glue these little button dies down there. So pretty. Love this. I got a little bit of glue on there. Okay, I'm going to glue this one here, and then I'm going to pop the butterfly, or the bird right there. And then I think that's pretty much it. I'm going to add some string. And I'm going to have a few more layouts. I'm trying not to use too many embellishments because I got 3 more that I want to work with, and I want to have a nice variety. So I'm going to go ahead and put the string through here. I always struggle with the strings. Alright, and then I'm going to add another one on the other one, tag here, and put this in here. And being very careful when I pull that so I don't rip the paper. And then I'm going to use my stapler, and I'm going to staple this just so it doesn't lose its place. And I just love this. I'm going to add the heart down here just because I don't feel like it's enough embellishments. I said I wasn't going to add any more, but you can never stop. And I love that little die cut tag, so I'm going to add that on there as well. And I'm going to mount that down. And put that right in here. Alright, and there it is. I love this so much. I think it turned out beautifully, and I hope you were inspired. Thanks so much for watching today, and take care.